In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change input microphone in Discord on PC. If Discord is using the wrong microphone, maybe your built-in laptop mic instead of your external mic, don't worry. This is a quick setting to change, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment. To begin, open Discord and go to your main Discord dashboard. You just want to be on the regular home screen where you can see your servers, chats, and profile area. This is the starting point for accessing your audio settings. Once you're there, look down to the bottom left area of the screen. Next to your profile, you'll see a small gear icon. Click that gear icon to open your user settings. This is where Discord keeps most of your personal app preferences, including audio and microphone options. After the settings window opens, find the section called Voice and Video and click on it. This is the menu that controls how Discord handles your microphone input, speaker output, and other voice-related settings. If you use Discord for calls, meetings, gaming, or streaming with friends, this is one of the most useful areas to know. Now look for the input device setting. You'll see a drop-down menu there. Click the input microphone drop-down and select the microphone you want Discord to use. For example, if Discord is currently picking up your built-in device microphone, you can switch it to your headset microphone, USB microphone, or any other connected mic you prefer. Once you select the new microphone, Discord should begin using it right away. It's a good idea to speak briefly after changing the setting so you can confirm that the correct microphone is active. If you have multiple audio devices connected, make sure you choose the one that matches the mic you actually want to use. If the microphone you want doesn't appear in the list, double check that it's properly connected to your PC and recognized by your system. Then come back to Discord and try the drop-down again. And that's it. By going to your Discord dashboard, opening the gear icon near your profile, selecting voice and video, and choosing a new input device from the microphone drop-down, you can quickly make sure Discord is listening to the right mic. This small change can make a big difference in call quality and help other people hear you much more clearly.